Um, hey Starlight. Can I tell you something real quick before we go? I'm sorry about the robot situation. Well, that's okay, Opie. At least you change your ways. Yeah, that's a good thing. And this time, I'm gonna stay as nicely as Christmas forever, forever and ever, forever and ever. And also, I'm gonna get you something for Christmas, Starlight, and I'm not gonna tell you. I hope you get something for Christmas, and then I hope I get you something, Opie. What you gonna get me? Oh, I get it. You're not gonna tell me, aren't you, gonna Starlight? That's right. How did you know? Cause it's always a Christmas spirit. You know, with that, whenever we kiss, with that thing on top, and whenever you're on top of it, then you kiss and everything. I like my mask just the way it is. Maybe so, Opie. Maybe I can get you some new outfits. New outfits? No, thank you, no, thank you, Starlight. I like my outfit just the way it is. And maybe so. Have an, I might have myself an OB T-shirt. An OB T-shirt? Mm-hmm. Or maybe an upside down up unhappy T-shirt. That sounds cool. Yeah, it is. So, hey, hey, yo, George, what do you want for Christmas? Well, George wants a jungle gym for Christmas. A jungle gym? Well, that ain't too bad at all. Maybe so, George. Maybe I might get you a jungle gym for Christmas. Maybe so. Hey, hey, you want something for Christmas, George? Then I'll get it for you with my money. What Opie got much to spend? Let's see. Okay, I only got $1,000 and 200s, and I have 6,000 millions and golden, and lots of gold bricks. Gold bricks? Yep, gold bricks. So I use these gold bricks to make it look like money. What I do is go to the Alex Productions bank and then and send the golden brick to the bank, and then when you crush it, you make it into dollar bills. Opie knows everything. Mm-hmm. Yes, I do, George. Yes, I do. Hey, do you hear that rumbling sound? I don't know. It sounds like a motorcycle. Um, you should look at your side mirror, Opie. Why is that? Motorcycle brothers. How did they get here? And why is there two of them? Well, I don't know where the other one is, but Opie, you might have to get away from them. That I could do, Starlight. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna try to lose them. They're gaining on us. Don't worry, I'll lose them. Opie! What is it, George? Can't you see I'm had to lose these motorcycle brothers? You should look up ahead. What? Oh, where did he come from? Oh, shoot! Give it up. You're surrounded. Uh-oh. Yeah, uh-oh that is. So, what's your plan, Opie? Do you have a plan? I bet you I do, Starlight. What is it? Think really fast. Think. Okay then. Here it goes. My plan is smoke them out a little bit. Ah, darn it.